Wedding season is in full swing, and buying gifts can get really pricey really fast. This is how you can make a sentimental bridal shower gift on a budget. Starting with the basket, which is from Goodwill, it was $3.99. They have lots of wicker options for cute baskets. I wanted to go with a relaxation theme for this kit, since being a bride can be super stressful. Even though it's supposed to be one of the happiest times of your life, it can be really stressful planning and getting everything together. So I headed to Dollar Tree, which actually has a lot of items that are great for relaxation. I even found those bridal flip-flops at Dollar Tree. So far you've seen headbands, bath bombs, loofahs, lashes, body oil. I thought these clips were very bridal because they were white pearl, nail polish. And while I was thrifting, I found this gem. This is a Precious Moments mug that says Laura, which coincidentally is the name of my bestie who is the bride. I even found this pink tulle at Goodwill. I think it's at $1.99 on there. I added it to the basket just to, zhuzh it up a little bit. And I got my card from Dollar Tree as well. I made a little note for her in there and stuck it in the basket. Cellophane, you Mr. Cellophane. I'm sorry, I am a theater buff. Okay, the cellophane was from Dollar Tree along with the little flowers. I cannot believe how cute it came out, and she loved it. And that's how you make a bride smile for $50.